Imagine driving through a quiet suburban street or a busy urban avenue. The sun is shining, traffic is flowing, and your day seems ordinary. Suddenly, the flashing red and blue lights appear in your rearview mirror. Your heart skips a beat, your mind races, and the thought hits you. What did I do wrong? For millions of drivers across the United States, this scenario is a common reality. Traffic tickets are one of the most frequent legal interactions an American experiences on the road. They range from minor infractions like a missing turn signal to major violations that can dramatically affect insurance rates, driving records, and even legal standing. But here's the question. Which of these traffic tickets can you actually contest successfully in court? Let me know your answer in the comments below. Across the country, tens of millions of traffic citations are issued each year. The Federal Highway Administration reports that traffic enforcement is a critical part of public safety, yet not every ticket issued reflects an indisputable violation. Many drivers pay their fines without realizing that certain tickets could be challenged, sometimes leading to dismissals or reductions. According to official state court records, a substantial percentage of traffic tickets are contested, and a meaningful number are successfully dismissed due to procedural errors, unclear signage, faulty equipment, or other legally valid defenses. Understanding the process to contest a ticket is not merely about saving money. It is also about knowing your legal rights, ensuring that enforcement is fair, and maintaining a clean driving record. This video will explore 10 types of traffic tickets in the USA that are often contestable, explaining how they occur, the laws behind them, and what steps a driver can take to challenge them legitimately. Section 1. Understanding traffic tickets in the United States. Traffic tickets, sometimes referred to as citations, are legal notices issued to a driver for violating traffic laws. These citations may be given by police officers, traffic enforcement cameras, or other designated authorities. Each ticket type has specific legal consequences, ranging from monetary fines to points on a driver's license, and in some cases, mandatory court appearances. According to data collected by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the most commonly issued traffic citations in the United States include speeding, running a red light, stop sign violations, illegal parking, and equipment violations such as broken lights or expired registration. While these offenses may appear straightforward, contesting them often involves a careful review of evidence, knowledge of applicable statutes, and, in some cases, presenting documentation that demonstrates compliance with the law. Section 2. How traffic tickets are issued. Traffic tickets are typically issued under 3 scenarios. Direct law enforcement observation. A police officer observes a violation in real time, such as speeding, running a stop sign, or failing to yield. The officer documents the incident and issues a citation on the spot. Automated enforcement systems. Red light cameras, speed cameras, and other automated devices capture evidence of violations. Municipalities use this evidence to issue tickets. Parking and equipment enforcement. Local authorities may monitor areas for parking violations or vehicle compliance issues, including expired registrations, broken lights, or obstructed license plates. Each type of issuance has its own legal nuances. For instance, automated citations must meet specific evidentiary standards to be enforceable, while direct observation citations rely on the officer's testimony, which can be questioned in court. Section 3. The costs of traffic tickets. Paying a traffic ticket can have immediate financial consequences and long-term implications. A single speeding ticket can cost anywhere from $150 to $500, depending on the jurisdiction and the degree of the violation. Additionally, points may be added to the driver's license, affecting insurance premiums for years to come. Multiple infractions can lead to license suspension. The decision to contest a ticket is often influenced by these stakes. Contesting a citation may involve appearing in court, providing evidence, and, in some cases, hiring legal representation. However, the potential benefits, including fines being reduced or completely dismissed, can outweigh the time and effort required. According to court records in states like California, Texas, and New York, drivers who prepare well-documented defenses succeed in having their tickets dismissed in approximately 15 to 25% of cases where disputes are formally raised. Section 4. The legal basis for contesting tickets. Every traffic ticket has a statutory foundation, often codified in state motor vehicle codes or municipal ordinances. Contesting a ticket usually involves challenging one of the following. Procedural errors. Was the ticket issued correctly according to state law? Was the officer authorized, and were all required details included? Insufficient or faulty evidence. Are there inaccuracies in the observation, timing, or recording of the alleged violation? Ambiguous or missing signage. Were traffic signs clear and visible at the time of the incident? Faulty equipment? Did automated systems, such as speed cameras or red light cameras, malfunction? One interpretation in legal proceedings is that drivers must comply with posted traffic regulations. Another perspective, often raised in court, is that enforcement must meet strict procedural and evidentiary standards. Courts have recognized that errors in ticket issuance or insufficient evidence can constitute a valid defense, resulting in dismissal. Section 5. 10 contestable traffic tickets. 1. Speeding tickets. Often contestable due to unclear speed limit signs, inaccurate radar readings, or GPS evidence. Example: a driver in California dismissed a ticket because the speed sign was obscured by tree branches. 2. Red light camera tickets. Can be challenged if camera evidence is unclear, misaligned, or the driver's identity isn't established. Example: Houston case where photos didn't clearly identify the vehicle. 3. Stop sign violations. Contestable if dashcam footage shows a full stop, even with rolling movement. Example: Ohio case where slope caused a rolling stop but the court dismissed the citation. 4. Illegal parking tickets. Frequently dismissed when signage is unclear, obstructed, or meters malfunctioned. Example: San Francisco driver contested ticket blocked by construction. 5. Equipment violations. Broken lights, tinted windows, or minor defects can be contested if corrected promptly. Example: Florida driver replaced brake light immediately and court dismissed ticket. 6. Failure to yield. Right-of-way violations. Contestable if evidence shows cautious driving and ambiguous traffic conditions. Example: Ohio highway merge case. 7. Lane violations. Improper lane changes or restricted lane use can be contested with dashcam or GPS evidence. Example: Houston freeway lane case. 8. Improper turns. Violations can be challenged if signage is unclear or obstructed. Example: Florida left turn blocked by construction. 9. Expired registration. Tags. Contestable if renewal proof exists or clerical errors occurred. Example: California driver mailed renewal but DMV had not processed it. 10. Miscellaneous infractions. High beams, horn use, or restricted zones can be contested if procedural errors exist. Example: NYC driver bus lane case dismissed with dashcam evidence. Section 6. Evidence and documentation. Contesting tickets requires verifiable evidence. Dashcam footage, GPS tracking photographs of signs, road, or conditions. Official records, DMV receipts, maintenance logs. Courts expect clear, factual presentations. Documentation improves chances of dismissal significantly. Section 7. Contesting process, review citation for errors. Gather credible evidence. Research relevant laws. File dispute. Request hearing. Present evidence clearly comply with deadlines. Drivers who are organized and fact-based improve their likelihood of success.